What's up, my Bringlese family? Welcome back to another video on the best channel in the world, period. This is the best. You're here. Welcome. I'm glad you made it. Thanks for coming. In this video, I'm going to talk about the passive voice. What is the passive voice? First of all, it's not a verb tense, so it doesn't really express time, but you can use any verb tense when you use the passive voice. The passive voice is a type of expression that puts the focus on an object rather than a subject. So let's make an example. A dog bites me, but I am more important than the dog. So even though I'm the object in the sentence, a dog bites me, I want to go first. So I'm going to put myself at the front and say, I am bitten by a dog. So instead of saying a dog bites me, the sentence in the passive voice is, I am bitten by a dog. So that's what the passive voice is, and here is how to make the passive voice. As usual, we will start with the thing we are focusing on. In the sentence, I am bitten by a dog, we are focusing on me. So let's start with I. Then you have two choices for what comes next. It can either be essere or get as the auxiliary verb of the passive voice. So you have the person and then be or get conjugated into the right person and tense. So if it's she, you'd say she is bitten, but it's I, so I am bitten. But as I said, you could also use get. So you could say I get bitten, or she gets bitten, or they got bitten, because yes, you can use it in any verb tense. You could use past, present, future, progressive, present perfect, any verb tense you can use passive voice. And to finish, after the be or get, you put the participle form of a verb, or the third column, so the go, went, gone column, the write, wrote, written column. In my example, bite, bit, bitten column. So I say I am bitten by a dog. The rest of the sentence is optional. You don't have to, but if you do continue the sentence, you will use the preposition by to describe the person who did the action. So remember, by a dog, da un cane. Sono morso da un cane. I am bitten by a dog. So let's do another example, and this time we will put that example into many different verb tenses. So let's say, for example, la matita è usata tutti i giorni da tanti studenti. So how would you say that in English? Pause the video if you need to. So we would say the pencil is or gets used every day by many students. The pencil gets used by many students every day. So let's change the verb tense. Let's do this in the past. The pencil got used by many students every day. Or the pencil was used by many students every day. Remember, you can use be or get. Both of them are okay. Just make sure you have the correct person and the correct verb tense. You could do present perfect tense. The pencil has been used by many students every day. You could do the future. The pencil will be used by students every day, or the pencil will get used by students every day. Remember, both get and be are good. Let's do another example. Il documento è stato scritto da Shakespeare. Okay? In English, you could say the paper was written by Shakespeare. Notice that the verb is written, not wrote, because you need the third column of the verb, the participle. The paper got written. The paper was written by Shakespeare. Let's put this in the past continuous tense. This is rare, but you can do it. The paper was being written. In that case, you don't use get. You can't say get being written, but you have to use be in that case. Or again, future tense. The paper will be written by Shakespeare. The paper will get written by Shakespeare. Let's do one last example. Due persone sono state uccise. Scusate l'esempio. I'm sorry for the bad example, but how do you say that in English? Pause the video if you want. So you would say two people were killed. That's it. Two people were killed. You could say 2 people got killed. So notice that in that sentence, I didn't say da qualcuno. I didn't say by someone. I just said 2 people got killed. Oftentimes in the passive voice, there isn't that final part, like who killed them, we don't know, but 2 people were killed. 2 people got killed. Again, in the future, 2 people will get killed. 2 people will be killed. Present, 2 people are killed. 2 people get killed. Any verb tense is okay. So I hope you guys understand this video. The passive voice is super important and it is used often. È usato spesso. It is used. It gets used often. Both are good. If you guys want to support the Bringlese channel, check my PayPal link in the description. I have been receiving some contributions to my channel, and for that, I say thank you very much. If you are learning from something, please support the Bringlese channel. And if you want to improve your English, I have a private Patreon Bringlese English class. Remember, it's 6 lessons a month for only $10. Super good deal. My students are really loving that class. So guys, let's stop the video here. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will catch you next time, okay? Peace!